Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is Penguins at Play, Chapter 2. Okay, this is for Class 8 students. Take out the book New Radiant Reader, Class 8. Okay, let's start the story Penguins at Play. Now, the author of this piece was one of the party who went with Captain Scott to the Antarctic. Now, who was the author of this piece? One of the party. He went with Captain Scott where? To the Antarctic. Now, Antarctic is a continent. Okay, very cold continent. Always remain covered with snow. Though he was not among the ill-fated band who went with Scott to the South Pole and perished. Now he was not among those candidates, those who went there and perished in 1912. Perished means died. Okay. Here he describes some of the habit of penguins. Now in this story he describes some of the habit of penguins. What are penguins? These birds are called penguins. Okay. Those strange birds. These are very strange birds, inhabitants of the South Pole region. These birds are the inhabitants of South Pole region. Clear? South Pole, the upper part is called North Pole and the lower part is called South Pole. Clear? With the approach of summer, the sea ice broke away in patches. Now, as soon as the summer comes, what happens? The sea starts melting away. Okay, the snow starts melting away. And as soon as the snow melts away, what happens? There is open water along the shore of the rookery. Rookery means nests. Large companies of penguins now went to bath. And these penguins now come for bath. Because there is open water, they now come to bath. And also wanted to catch the little shrimps. Okay, they come to bath and they also come to catch the little shrimps. Shrimps are food of the penguin. These were the food. Okay, the ice foot was about 5 feet above the water. Now this ice foot was about 5 feet above the water, so that they had to dive in. I noticed that they never dived alone. Okay, these penguins, they never dived alone. Okay, they waited for a group. Okay, why they waited for the group? It is because a fierce kind of seal called sea leopard often hid in the water. Okay, a fierce kind of seal called sea leopard hid in the water. And if the penguins were all alone, the sea leopard used to come and attack them. So they used to come in a group. Okay, these penguins, they used to come in a group because of the fear of the sea leopard. Okay, they used to get scared of the sea leopard. Now, these sea leopard often hid in the water, I told you, under the overhanging edge of the ice, waiting to catch the penguins when they dived in. Each penguin wanted to find out if the coast was clear or not. Okay, these penguins, they wanted to find out if the coast was clear or not before it entered the water. So those behind tried to push one of those in front over the edge. Now those who were behind, they tried to push one another and wanted to reach the edge. When they succeeded in doing this, what did they do? They used to crane the necks to see if the penguins they had pushed in, okay, the penguins they had pushed in was attacked by a sea leopard or not. If he was not attacked, all the rest dived in and started to swim about, and again they start catching shrimps. If a sea leopard shot out and caught him, the others just stayed where they were or tried again at another place. Okay, up to this much I have taught. Read this story, read this chapter again and again. Okay, only after reading again and again you will be able to follow, otherwise you will not follow. Okay, in my next video I will continue with this chapter. Until then, goodbye.